Kenyan immigrants in the UK respond to global immigration trends and domestic pressures. Recent developments in immigration policies and economic challenges in Kenya have raised concerns among Kenyan immigrants in the UK, prompting discussions about their status and future plans. The recent deportation of 9 Sierra Leonean individuals from the United States highlights a broader trend of intensified immigration enforcement that could affect various immigrant communities, including Kenyans. Kenyans in the UK are increasingly aware of the shifting landscape of immigration policies, especially those in the United States, which have seen significant changes under different administrations. The deportations from the US serve as a reminder that immigration status can be precarious, prompting many Kenyans living abroad to consider their options carefully. For those with family members in the US, this situation may trigger anxiety about potential deportations or the inability to reunite with loved ones. In the UK, the immigration system has also seen changes, with recent policies aimed at tightening controls on illegal immigration. Kenyans who are in the process of applying for visas or seeking residency may need to remain vigilant regarding the documentation required and ensure compliance with the latest regulations. It is advisable for those who may be on temporary visas to seek legal advice to understand their rights and options. Additionally, the economic situation back home is impacting the decisions of many in the diaspora. The recent suspension of a strike in Kenya over high fuel prices has brought attention to the rising cost of living and its effects on families. Kenyan immigrants in the UK often send remittances back home, and fluctuations in the Kenyan economy can influence how much they are able to send. The ongoing discussions between the Kenyan government and transport operators suggest potential changes that could either alleviate or exacerbate economic pressures at home. Kenyans living abroad are encouraged to stay informed about both local and international news that may affect their families and communities. This includes being aware of any potential economic shifts that could impact remittances or employment opportunities in Kenya. Engaging with local Kenyan community organizations can provide resources and support for those navigating these challenges. Furthermore, as political dynamics evolve, especially those concerning women's rights and leadership, Kenyans in the diaspora may find it beneficial to participate in advocacy efforts that support positive change in their home country. The story of Sierra Leone's First Lady, who overcame significant personal challenges to achieve political power, serves as an inspiration for many and highlights the importance of women's voices in governance. Kenyans in the UK should also consider their own community's role in shaping perceptions and policies regarding immigration. Engaging with local representatives and participating in community forums can amplify their concerns and influence policy discussions that affect their status and rights. Building networks and connecting with other immigrant groups can foster solidarity and provide a platform for collective action. As the global landscape continues to change, the Kenyan diaspora is urged to remain proactive in understanding the implications of these trends. Whether through legal consultations, community engagement, or advocacy, staying informed and involved can help mitigate potential challenges posed by changing immigration policies and economic conditions both in the UK and Kenya.